What do you see when you look at this picture? Not everyone is going to see the same thing. Some of you saw the young woman on the left, and some of you saw the old woman on the right, and some of you saw both. But this has to do with perspective. Perspective is how characters think and feel about what is happening in a story. So each character is going to have a different perspective because they have different thoughts and they feel different ways about things. So if you take a look at the picture down there, the one person is on the island and he's so excited when he sees the boat coming because he thinks he's going to be rescued. But the person on the boat has a different perspective. That person is thinking how excited they are to see the island. So those are two different perspectives. Now, perspective and point of view are different. While perspective are the thoughts and feelings of the characters, point of view is just who is the narrator, who is telling the story. We are going to review several different types of point of view today. The first point of view is first person. This is when a character is telling the story. Because of that, we only get that character's perspective. We only know that character's thoughts and feelings and not any of the others. Get the air conditioner on. Whew, it's hot. Get the air conditioner on. Another point of view is second person point of view, and this one is rarely used. This is when the narrator talks to the reader. And a lot of times it's in a how-to video, or if you see on blogs on YouTube where the person is talking to you, the viewer. So they'll use you, you or your, and it might be, they might give commands or advice, but they're talking to you, the reader. Next is third person limited point of view. This is when a narrator outside of the story is telling it, and they're only telling it from the perspective of one character. This means that the reader can see the thoughts of only one character and not any of the others. How many s'mores did you have? Last, we have third-person omniscient point of view. Now in this, it's still an outside narrator telling the story, but this time the narrator is all-knowing. So that means the reader can see the thoughts and feelings of more than one character.